Hello YouTube. Today I wanted to tell you about a new profession. Well, it's not new, but it might be new to you. It's a software testing. What people do? Well, they are first-time users of the computer programs that somebody else wrote. And those people, well, they don't have to write sophisticated code or have multiple degrees in mathematics and computer sciences. No, all they need to know is just, how to be an experienced tester and first-time user of the programs. So basically, you sit in front of your computer, you take a look at the technical specifications that somebody else provided to you, your boss usually, and you take a look at the program that your colleagues who are coding actually created. And if you see an error on the screen, you make a screenshot and you compile a report that you send back to your colleagues to fix. You don't have to fix their errors, they're going to fix it. And then they're going to send it back to you to retest. So this is what software testing is about in the nutshell. And there are lots of places where software testers are needed. Actually, statistically, there are more software testers needed than actual programmers. According to the computer science, there should be in the team you should have 1 or 2 software testers per each programmer who writes a code. So if you have a team of 5 programmers, which is very typical, then you should have at least 7 to 10 testers in such team. So it creates a lot of opportunity for you. And this is what we teach on our course, how to become a software tester, how to become successful, and how to get a great salary of $65,000 and more. So it's not very difficult, and it doesn't matter if you have liberal art degree or some kind of a non-technical degree. It's irrelevant. All you need to know is how to write reports, how to make screenshots, learn foundations of the software testing. This is what we do. And most important, our course is not just an academic course where you get book knowledge. Actually, we have real IT managers who are bringing real projects from the places where they're employed, and you execute those projects in class as if you were employed already. So you gain hands-on experience. And we have a team of recruiters and life coaches who are teaching you how to create a successful resume, how to market the resume. They rehearse, play telephone interview, in-person interview with you. And we all do it in just 3 short months. And the classes are twice a week in the evening. So most everyone can fit it into their schedule. We have lots of successful students coming from all walks of life. They might be former Uber drivers. They might be coming back to work moms, military veterans, recent college graduates, recent immigrants, anybody, all age groups, and the mixture of people from all over the world. So give us a call, come to our open class, and we'll show you how you can change your career. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.